Get ready with me. So today I'm going in with a dark shade for the outer corner to bring some depth. Then I'm going to go in with a transition shade and start blending. The secret to this eye look is really to have a light hand while you're blending and just keep blending, blending, blending. Once you have that blended, we're going to go ahead and highlight the brow bone just to create some lift to the eye. Next, I'm going to start layering my blur. First, I'm going to start off with a primer, and then I'm going to go in with the Yummy Skin, and I'm going to go ahead and apply thin layers just to get a nice even blur. I do use a few drops of foundation for coverage, and then I apply my concealer, blend it out, and then I do set it with powder by pressing it in for longevity. I do bring warmth back to the face, and then I give myself a baby it's cold outside blush finish. And for the holidays, I really do enjoy a glow within type of highlighter. Then we go in and reinforce our brow shape and then finish it off with some beautiful glitter. And you guys, that is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one. Adios!